Today I'm going to try to help you on the issues of why you're not able to play on Modern Warfare 3 on the PS3. Now keep in mind, we're going to start out with the first one, and that is unable to connect. And you're probably getting this error right here. There is no fix for this. The chances are your account was made in 2018 and above, or you actually name changed. If you name change your old account, it pretty much ruins it and considers it a 2018 account. So there is no fix here, but I will explain what happened. Sony, for some reason, decided to change their infrastructure on their PlayStation IDs in 2018, causing it to have problems with older games, mostly Call of Duty, because Call of Duty once had an app that you were able to connect to see your stats and stuff. I've actually never used it, but there was an app that you were able to connect. Sony's change in the infrastructure caused to have errors with these games. Luckily, it only affects a few games, so it's not a big deal. But if you really want to play and you're getting that error, you're going to have to play with an older account made pre-2018. Alright, so you're could actually connect to the Modern Warfare 3 servers, but you can't find a game. An example will be right here. I'm trying to look for a game, and as you can see right there, it says no games found. But what actually causes this? Why can't you find a game? You have an old account and you're ready to play some Modern Warfare 3. Well, the fix is actually quite easy. It's not that bad. For some odd reason, if you have DLC, you're gonna have a hard time looking for a game. I don't know what it is with Modern Warfare 3, but for some reason, if you have DLC, it's going to look for people who also have DLC. So if you have all the DLC map packs and you're trying to find people to play with, good luck with that. Now here's a fix of what I did. So what you're going to have to do is go to the main menu, go all the way to the top here where it says Game Utility, and delete your Modern Warfare 3 game utility. This will delete all the map packs that you have, because that's the only way to do it. And once you do that, just start up the game. You're going to have to obviously re-download the update, but when you don't have map packs, you will be able to pretty much start playing again online. So that is it. That is the tutorial how to be able to play and fix Modern Warfare 3. So if you have an account made in 2018 and above, sad days for you. You need to play with an older account. And if you do have an older account, you have to be able to delete your map packs, because for some reason it really tries to focus on people who have map packs, and not everybody that's playing online has map packs. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will be showing a little bit of my gameplay, showing you guys playing in 2014. Until then, I'm out. Peace. It's just honestly mind-blowing how crazy this game is. Okay. We're taking the lead. I still can't slide or whatever. Okay. Yeah, we have to move out. I think that guy is trying to get some javelin kills. Back in the day, people were crazy for javelin kills. I couldn't see them. I couldn't see them. I couldn't see them. I'm taking this. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Dude, I think the dude's getting javelin kills. My God, you're a maniac. You're a psycho. See what I mean about using this gun without no skill? What? Oh, he got killed by that. I was wondering why he got killed. Oh my God, dude. I'll use this gun. Let's go. They're on the other side, but I'm scared. Some guy's gonna come here. Alright, alright. I respect it. Are they down there? I don't know where they're at. I'm doing really good my kill streak right now. Dude, you saw me! Okay, I respect it. I respect the hustle. They might be down here, but I'm not sure. I'm out. Didn't kill them. They're not gonna try. I'm not gonna try.